disassembling computer unit. Before you start, ensure that you have a clean and well-lit workplace. Take off any metal object on your arm or fingers such as bracelet, rings, or watches and unplug the computer from the power source. Unplug the wire connector of a monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Then remove the case. Remove the hard disk drive and plug the power and SATA cable. Remove the power supply by unfastening it from the case and disconnecting the necessary cables. Next, remove the RAM by release the clips both sides of the RAM module. Remove the heatsink by unclipping or unscrewing heatsink from the CPU socket. Unplug the connector. Remove the graphic card. Remove the motherboard screws and carefully lift the motherboard out the case. Next, remove the CPU or central processing unit. Now, we already removed all the component system unit. We go now on how to assemble the system unit. We will return the CPU heatsink and the RAM. Carefully place the motherboard into the case, aligning the mounting holes with a stand-off screw in the place. Insert the graphics card. The power supply and unplug back and cables. Insert the hard disk drive and unplug and plug back the power and SATA cable. We will return the case. We will return the the monitor, mouse, and keyboard connector.